Hey, what's up? Rekeying a lock cylinder. I've already done it, but I'll show you the mess that I had to deal with. It's not fun. It's on a 99 F150. So let's take a look at it. This. Basically, these little springs inside here. These are numbered. This one is a number 1. You probably can't see that, but there you go, number 1. That doesn't mean that it goes in the number 1 slot. It just means it's the number 1 for the key to fit through. So you literally have to these little things slide in here. All these little springs and stuff. See how it slides in there? You get them all in there. This is the old one. I had to take them out, look at the numbers, and then put the exact same numbers in the new one. Put the key in there to hold it. There's a retainer that goes in here, which this is the old one. And then it has this ball that's going to sit inside here when everything gets put together. Obviously I don't have the key in it. None of this is going to work right, but little springs, little balls, little springs. See, number 4s, number 5s, number 3s. Bag of little springs. Little springs coming out of there. These are all worn out, and the key was actually just moving around inside the tumbler. Like you put the key in, it would wiggle like this, and you turn the key in the on position, and the theft light would come on, and the vehicle wouldn't start. So it's not fun, as you can see. This is kind of how it sits in there. After you put everything. And you're supposed to wrap it. But I've done 1 or 2 of these before. This one's kind of a pain in the butt. This kind of shows you. So that's what I was doing, rekeying a lock. It told me wait from the engine to rekey a lock. But it's all good, it's fixed, the deal was running, the customer can have their car back. I don't want to do another one at all.